Hey, what's up? Nic Ashby here at Rockstar Garage. So I wanted to show you this kit that came in. There's obviously 5 of these in the kit. This is the new Generation 4 KMC monster valve. You don't have to drill your wheel. These actually slide right into one of the inlets that are featured on like the double beadlocks you'll find like the Hex or the Machete. And the way this is designed is you shove this seal right here into the hole. This guy is gonna slide down through that. Then once that slides down through that, you take this guy right here and it screws in on the back side using the tool that is actually sitting over there. So you have a tool that'll actually screw this right on there. Then that's it. You don't have to drill anything. You don't have to do anything. And then it's just common monster valve stuff. You just unscrew this to let the air out, to fill it, fast volume, you use this guy. Super simple. We're getting ready to install them on the Hexes. So let's walk over there and I'll show you guys what we're doing. So luckily having a double beadlock makes it a little bit easier for us because we can just pull it apart and install these without having to take the whole thing apart. So right now, this guy is already installed. So there's your regular one, and then there's your Power Tank one. Super simple again. You just grab that guy, undo it all the way. Boom, no leaks, no nothing. Already tested them, they work great. Good job, Power Tank. Okay, just to show you how to quickly install these things, grab this guy, grab this guy. So this is actually the brass nut. We taped it onto our socket so it wouldn't fall off. But that guy just lines up with those holes, slots, and turn it. Okay, super simple the way this whole thing goes about. So you got this guy. Pop that guy in that hole right there. Done. Take this guy. There you go. Then you just screw this on the back. You're done. No more drilling, no more tapping. On the KMC wheels.